Huy! Okay. Alright. Ang una ko pong tatawagin ulit ay ang grand winner. So, yung grand winner natin, as usual, will receive a socks, flat, trophies, and crowns. And of course, giveaways and exposure for Unity Philippines Entertainment. Alright. Number 27. 26. Mas malakas dito, mahina kayo. 27. 26. Alright.
Announcement po. Abangan niyo po ang R. Gallardo Escalanda sa Estilo Modelo PH sa June 30 po sa Malaysia. Open pa rin po kami sa mga gusto pa pong mag-join. And then, second week po ng September sa Taiwan. November 2, Hong Kong. Kasama po namin ang MRJ. Tsaka po si Sir Robert Gallardo po.
Alright, and now, ladies and gentlemen, our Buffalo Fashionista Season 5 Premiums category Grand Winner. Congratulations, candidate number 20! 26! Princess Maria Jones at ang ating first runner-up, Buffalo Fashionista Season 5 candidate number 27, Angel Apolonio. Alright, please, category, on stage, please.